Alright guys, the day has come. We're finally going to get the seats done for the Coolpri. I have my friend Rich helping me out. He's done 2 sets. This is one of, I'm not going to say it's his car, it's his wife's car. One of his family's cars.
Yeah, no, it's the wife's car.
This is his wife's car. He's not allowed in it. But that's not true, but he's got a 66 he did the seats in, so he's got experience. I've never done this before. He's the expert. So stand back, just sit back and watch him work. Alright guys, we've got the seats apart, well most of them, and then we are getting ready to put the carpet on the back of the back seats right here, which these have to be stapled on. That was the most time consuming part so far, was taking the staples out of the old carpet, but we're moving forward and we'll check in a little bit. Alright guys, we're moving along. We've got some of the seats done over here. We had batteries go dead in the GoPro, sorry. But we're getting this one put together. But they're looking fabulous. You guys might be seeing it in black and white. I don't know if I'm going to let you see all of it yet. So we'll see. Alright guys, we're finishing up here with the seats. This is definitely a job you need some experience, or somebody that has some experience to help you. We've been working on it for what? Goodness.
8 hours.
I got here after a little bit after 6, wasn't it? Anyway, it is now.
We stopped and
Yeah.
talked.
It is 2:45 in the morning right now, but they look great. I just got to go home and finish. I'll put them together at home and we'll start putting them in the car. But a big thanks to my buddy Rich here, and his son helped out too. Carson helped as well. I couldn't have done it without you. And we will see you guys next time.